Welcome to the cooking competition. Let's start. And the choice is burger.
Burger? You want me to cook?
So
you know
cool.
who I am. Smells nice.
What's this? Why do I only have a bread?
It's gonna be so much easier than I thought.
But it's not fair. What can I do with this? Oh, I have an idea. So lucky I have great mind. With a little creativity, this will look like a lovely burger. And now a smaller piece. Let's place it on the top. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. But something is missing. Oh, I know! Ta-da! Incredible idea! Time to place our lettuce. Yummy cheese. And juicy tomato. It looks so tasty. It's actually good.
Darling, please. You call this good? Huh, watch me. Making the most delicious burger you've ever tasted in your life. Uh-huh. And ooh la la. I think it's not good enough. I need to do something. I know exactly what it needs. Yeah. What is more gorgeous than diamonds? Mommy will be so proud of me. Glow, my precious burger. Just a few more drops. And masterpiece.
Time's up.
Judgment time.
Healthy life. Happy family. Ketchup mayo.
This will be so tasty. The best breakfast ever. My bag. Oh.
From now on, no junk food around me.
What?
Soda! What is this? Where's my Coke? It worked. This is for you. Oh, thank you. Wow. Huh? What are you doing here? Nothing. And what are you hiding there? Stop! Show me your hands like that. It's totally empty here. Okay, but I'm watching you.
How did you do that?
Look.
Oh, yeah!
Sweets, sweets, sweets. I want to go home.
We won't get home soon. But I've got something for you.
Oh, wow. Where's Ashley? I hope there are some sweets here. Oh, sweets! Principal, a disguise is required. Whose locker is this?
It's mine.
Open it, please.
I think I'm in trouble.
No, this one. Okay. Have a nice day.
Thanks, Roxy. Sweets, Principal? What?
No junk food!
These rules are too strict.
This rule is for everyone.
One, two, three! Let's wait for setup!
Ho ho! Presents!
Casey, Zach.
Oh! Christmas treats! Oh! Good! It's messed up! How do I distinguish them? Let's just guess. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho! They belong here!
Mine!
Mine?
Sweet! So yummy!
Huh? No! It's mine!
I don't really like sweets. No junk food around me. Teacher! She's eating!
No food in class.
Sorry.
I know you have something else.
Okay. My lollipops. My candy.
No food and drinks.
Everything.
Okay.
Good.
For a coffee break.
I'm watching.
Hey sis! Do you want some?
No food in class.
As you wish.
I always win.
What? What are you watching? What is this? Where's the remote? I have to turn it off! What? Are you kidding me? Go read a book!
Okay. He has no idea.
Astrophysics. Good job, sis. Let me read something too. Which one? Huh? Candies? What's going on here? Let me check. Huh? Casey! It's so good!
Children, here's your cheesecake.
What? No!
Thanks, Mom.
have to be strong.
I know what to do.
Day 3. I can do this. Fried chicken? Hey, Casey! Get out of here! Zach's room.
Let's get the party started.
I like healthy food. I like broccoli. I like... Burger? The smell is coming from there.
He can't resist this.
This should help. Healthy food, healthy life.